In this video, I will show you how to do shift lock in Roblox very easily. Now guys, first you need to open up your Roblox app player. I have mine right here. Then you're gonna select a game that you're gonna play. Doesn't matter, it can be any game. I'm just gonna go into Blade Ball. Press play. Then let's wait for it to load. It'll take like 1 minute or something. 10 seconds. Then when it's done loaded, then you're gonna press on the Roblox icon in the top left corner. Go into settings. The first option here should be shift lock switch. You can turn it on or you can have it off. But if you want to turn it on, that's how you do it. Press escape again. Now it's turned on. It's that simple, guys. Go into your settings, turn it on and off. Thanks for watching.